Hello guys, so kumusta kayong lahat? So andito naman ako at live ngayon at gaya ng naipangako ko sa inyo ay pagka may free time ako at saka break time or coffee time. So nagla-live ako dito sa aking FB page. So today guys, ano lang, couple of advice for those especially yung mga newbie traders, amateur traders at yung mga nag-uumpisa pa lang mag-aral ng trading. So marahil ay okay. Dali lang kasi okay. Mga nagjo-join. Hello Jomer Floor, hello. Jomer Floor, Jason, okay, ang pangalan na to. Ikang basa. Alright, so kumusta kayo guys? I hope everyone is okay. Saang panig ng mundo ka man. I am here, Stockman Tornil, live here from Budapest. So, nandito ako ngayon sa tinatawag na Corbin Plaza. So, malapit lang to sa aking office. So, at the back, at the end part is my office, Nokia building. So, yeah, thanks Jomer for always following me and watching me on my live. So, gaya ng naipangako ko sa inyo na lang kayo, follow lang kayo sa aking page para mag-pop up sa inyong mga Facebook application na your stock mentor Neil is live again. Right, so guys, yung pakay ko lang naman yun sa pagla-live ay short lang naman, pero it's something which can be used as a good guidance for those who are newbie or amateur traders. So guys, kalimitan naman sa'yo, alam nyo naman yung mga iba-ibang klase ng stock sa Philippine stock market. At kahit sa iba't ibang part, kahit sa ibang stock markets around the world, ay merong mga stocks na mabagal sila, pero after some time, we can get a nice profit or nice percentage of rally. But there are also some stocks na kahit isang araw lang ay talagang nag-explode. So yun ang mga volatile stock o mga momentum stocks. So maraming mga newbie trader nag-iisip na nagjo-join ng stock market or mag-trade dahil it's very fast to earn money. So take note guys that beside that advantage, it's also very easy to lose your money. That's the other. So it's a double blade. So that's the drawback. So kaya nga kailangan natin ng iba yung pag-aaral o sapat na kaalaman bago pa man tayo mag-trade ng real money. Kasi if you are trading without really enough knowledge, then it's equivalent to actually burning your money and just giving it to somebody else. So another thing na masasabi ko rin is that for those momentum stocks na yung bang mabilisang gumalaw, wag niyong i-trade yung mga ganun na stock kapag wala kayong time to monitor. Kasi halimbawa okay, let's say na profitable ka within one day, you are already 10% up within one day only, which is possible. Kasi may mga stocks nga nagsisiling, di ba, 50%. So that is really possible in the Philippine market. But yung nangyari, kinabukasan hindi mo siya na-take profit. Biglang nagkaroon ng sell-off, profit taking. So instead of having 10% gains, naging negative ka pa. So ayan ang ano ba yung solusyon natin dito sa mga ganitong sitwasyon. So before you buy a stock, you need to consider what kind of strategy are you using. Are you implementing momentum trading strategy, which requires really enough time to monitor or to set your trailing stop or stop loss kapag the trend is going against you? Or do you want to do position trading, which it's okay to wait 1 week, 2 weeks, or 1 month kasi hindi naman agad mahihit yung target price mo. So, so you need firstly you need to well define that what kind of strategy are you going to use. The next is ano ba yung availability mo or yung time mo. Do you have a full-time job? Kasi pag may full-time job ka, hindi naman palagi no, na nakakapag-login ka sa COL platform mo or sa BDO Nomura platform mo, lalo na kapag medyo maintenance break na naman si BDO Nomura during trading hours. So, mga ganun ba? Or meron kang lakad, meron kang biyahe, mga ganun. Tapos nag-trade ka. So, but you know already beforehand na you will have such kind of hectic schedule. So in that case, guys, if you know that you won't have enough time to monitor, never trade any momentum stock or any kind of day trading stock, right? So that's very important. So the type of strategy that you will use and the corresponding availability of your time. All right, so you need to consider both. Kasi halimbawa, kailangan mo ngayong i-exit kasi the trend goes against you. Kapag wala ka namang time to monitor to exit, naging negative 5% ka na. Mahirap pag mga momentum trading, 1%, 2% lang dapat exit na tayo, di ba? So in that way, we are minimizing our losses and we are still in the game. Now, ang mangyari kapag ano ba yung mangyayari kapag negative 5% ka na, hindi ka nakapag-exit, then masakit na sa kalooban mo na mag-exit at negative 5%, the next day sinundan ulit ng another negative 5%, so naging 10% na. So ang mangyayari sa'yo, na long term ka na, guys. So once you are already out of control, you cannot anymore exit easily, then firstly you will be out of the game. Then you will always miss opportunities to reposition kasi you do not have the cash. So the good thing with cutting your loss as early as possible, but not too early, okay? Kasi baka temporary retrace lang yan. So kailangan in your chart, you need to determine the point of the chart or trend that invalidates the trend. Kung uptrend siya, where is that point that invalidates the trend? So that is the point where you set your stop loss. So tanong, yung stop loss, kung nakita ko yung point na yan, nakita mo yung point na yan, very clear that it's really invalidating the trend. The problem now is that you have the high risk. So mga 5% risk yung involved. So ano bang gagawin mo? So you need to ask yourself, can you really digest such kind of paper loss na 5%? Can you sleep well during the night? Pag hindi, kailangan nating bawasan yung risk na yan. So ano ba yung pwede natin gawin? Unang-una is to find another stock or wait for some time na mag-retrace pa siya pababa ng konti, and then and wait for that bounce on the close to the support. Then in that case, you have already minimized the risk. So instead of 5%, naging 2% na lang siya, at much better maging 1% to 2% lang. So ganun, guys. So also, ano ba yung makukuha natin dito? In trading, it also requires patience. It doesn't mean that if you are not in the trade, you are losing money or you are not you will so I mean you should not be having this so-called FOMO, na fear of missing out. So kapag hindi ka nakapag-trade ay mamimiss mo yung malaking upward move. So for me, guys, it's always better to miss the trade instead of you tried to catch that higher price and then only to find out the next day babagsak pa pala on that price na buying zone mo, which is close to the support. So in trading, it really requires patience. You really need to be patient. You really need to define where is your buying zone, execute that, without any exception. Kapag hindi pumupunta sa Bison mo yung price at wala siyang bounce, wala siyang volume na nagpapakita na mag-bounce is legit bounce, then it's better not to trade at all. So remember that cash is the king, guys. Cash is also a position. Right, so I hope that this short FB live of mine was helpful to all of you. So for those guys so interested about my stock mentorship program, I do one-on-one live session. I do have a recorded session for purchasing. If you want more information about it, just send me a message and I can send it to you. Also, I have my weekly stock updates wherein you can follow my stock picks for the week, for any kind of strategy, for momentum, for swing trade, for midterm investing and long-term investing. So name it, guys. Everything is there already. And the good thing with this stock update is that you can also learn from the analysis that I am posting. I post it in a private FB group. So once you avail it, I just need to add you in my group. And I have also consultation if you have some issues with your portfolio. Just message me and we can arrange a session. Alright guys, so again, this is Stock Mentor Neil live from Budapest. I wish you all happy trading on the next trading days. So babalik naman ngayon ako sa aking office at tapusin ko muna na yung coffee time ko dito. Alright guys, God bless sa inyong lahat at ingat kayong lahat dyan. Bye!